Hi friends, today I'm going to give a demonstration on cash discount allowed and customer down payment. This is very important. We will see one by one the configuration part. First and the foremost, what you have to do, you have to create one general ledger called advance from customers. So this we are going to do it in FS00. The customer down payment is a liability. So we have to see the liability group. I'll do one thing. Okay, I'll go to OBD4. Wait for a few moments. Then I'll see what is the liability provision is here. Users in surplus. So what I'll do is I'll create another group. Okay, I'll just copy this. Then I'll create as customer advance. Then rack 600 101 600 to 101 700. Then click on save. In real time, don't worry, this and all accounting groups will be already created. So now I'll create customer advance count. So 101 600. Then since we have to select customer customer advance okay. Now what I'll do, I'll reload this FS00. Okay, now I'll go and create 101 600. See customer advance, this is the balance sheet item. So customer advance count, customer advance account, this is a control data. Now the reconciliation account type is customers. Okay, now the So this is a line item display, sort key 031, then create bank interest. Here we can see this is G067, this is a reconciliation account 067, then click on save. Now we will see what is the next step. Define reconciliation account for customer down payment. So this one we have to link customer reconciliation account to the customer advance reconciliation account. This is going to happen in OBXR. See, when we do the transaction, you will come to know XR. Then you have to select D and A. Double click on D and A. Then select your chart of accounts. Then reconciliation account. So here you have to select customer. I'll sort by name. So customer control account. Then this here you have to give a link to customer advance account. So this is customer control account to customer advance account. Then click on save. So OBXR we have done. Now we have to create cash discount allowed. So it is an expenses for us. FS00. It is an expenses. It's not there. What I'll do, I'll copy the existing one and I'll change it. Go like 9. Then I'll change it to cash discount allowed. Allowed account is a P&L account. Then all configuration is right. Then click on save. So we have created cash discount allowed account. So we have to configure accounts for cash discount granted. So this will happen in OBXI. Now please come to OBXI. Select the chart of accounts. Then select the account. Just now we have created cash discount allowed. Cash discount allowed account. Then click on save. So we will do the testing now. Let us assume we have received a down payment of 1 lakh. So customer has paid advance amount of 1 lakh. Let us see how we are going to do. Prior to that, we will create one customer. So I already created one customer. So I'll show that you can create your customer. See, this customer I have already created, or if you want me to create one more new customer, I'll go to /n xd01. We are going to create centrally. So we are going to select the account group 2104, select the account group, select your company code, press enter. So select the company, you can give customer advance and CD allowed test. Then you can give country India, press enter. Then you can click on company code data, then select reconciliation account, then sort key, then terms of payment Z001. So what is this terms of payment? I'll explain to you. Go to OBB8, then click on position, double click on this payment terms. Please try to understand this. This payment term, we get 3% cash discount if we make the payment within 15 days. Okay, this is the rule for this payment term. Now let us apply that same thing here. Okay, now click on save. Yes, this customer has got saved. Now we will receive an advance F-29. Now we'll give the today's date. Okay, you can give advance, you can give the reference number. Now customer account, customer advance CD allowed account. Now special GL indicator you have to select as A because we are receiving an advance. So this is a down payment indicator. Now select the bank account. So amount 1 lakh. You can give a text being advance amount received. So this value date is very important. You can select whenever you select cash in bank, value date is a must. The document is getting saved. Then click on save. Now Now we will check the customer line item now. Please note, I'll be giving sessions on production support tickets. It will be very useful. I'll be giving you a demo on how to create change request, how to attend the cap calls, and how to analyze the tickets. So now this document has been saved. We will go to FBL 5N. Now I'll select vendor, customer. See, there is no line items generated because whenever you receive an advance, it is a special transaction. You have to click on this special transaction checkbox, then click on execute. You can see here, when you click on special transaction checkbox, then only it will get generated. So we have received 1 lakh as advance. Now we will enter the customer invoice. Sales process will happen F-22. So document type is DR. So you can, if you want, you can give a reference also with reference to advance 001. The sale is happening. So the sale will happen for 2 lakhs. Let us assume lakhs. See here, the payment term has come within 15 days, 3% cash discount. So this is sale account. I gave star, then document, simulate. Okay. Now click on save. Okay, now we will see. Again go to FBL 5N. Okay, click on execute. So how much it is showing now? See, 1 lakh is the balance and 2 lakh sales you have made. These two both documents, it is not reconciled. So when you go back, when you click on normal transaction, see, in normal transaction it is showing only 2 lakhs as we made a sale, but special transaction will not update here. So how to update here? For that there is a process. So what is the process? The special transaction we need to convert into normal transaction. Then we have to reconcile between the sale invoice and advance received. Now clear the customer down payment. So this happens in F-39. Then document date you can give. Okay. Now select the account. Remove this. Then you can give narration being down payment adjustment. Click on process open item. Look at here, the available amount is 1 lakh. Transfer posting how much? You can do up to 1 lakh or less than 1 lakh. Now let us see this whole 1 lakh I need to adjust. I am transferring from special transaction to normal transaction. Press enter. Say transfer posting amounts greater than the invoice amount. Transfer posting amounts is greater than the invoice amount. So I need to transfer this. Just a moment. So what I do, I just double click. This is why it is not taking. So let us try to save this. The document has been saved. Let us go and check this document. FB03. For some time, see this 1 lakh has been transferred from special transaction to normal transaction. Now we'll go and check in. Clear the customer open item. So open item is how much? 2 lakhs. Okay. Now for the 2 lakhs we need to adjust this 1 lakh. So -1 32. Select the account. Process the open item. Okay. See now this cash discount has been calculated. Okay. So automatically 3% because we are making the payment within 15 days. Then you can go to residual item. Just double click on this. See, look at here, 6,000 has been deducted from 1 lakh, and here not assigned is 0. Now you can go to document, simulate. See, 6,000 cash discount has been already generated automatically. Now 94,000 new line item has been created. Click on save. Now again you can go and check in FBL fine. So open item should be 94,000. Yes, 94,000 is open item. Now you can go for all items. Let us see all items. So execute. See, for 2 lakhs, 1 lakh has got advance got deducted. Again 6,000 got deducted as cash discount. Then 94,000 is a balance. This is how you can configure and test the customer advance and cash discount allowed. Thank you for listening and viewing my demo.